Hello, in front of me I've got Amazon Luna controller. In this video I'll show you how to insert batteries. Amazon Luna controller is not equipped with original rechargeable battery. Instead, we've got this battery slot here where you have to install batteries. Luckily, it comes with two batteries included. Simply insert the batteries, plus to plus, minus to minus, and it's done. The controller should work about 5 hours on 2 AA batteries. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.